let's learn about how you can open files in Photoshop and edit them. Ta-da! If my Photoshop opens, actually, it would be a good thing right now. Yes, so one way to open a file is to just go where the file is and drag and drop onto Photoshop. And if you want to open another file, is you go and drag and drop beside that file's title like this, and now you have two files open. And if you want to add another layer to this, you can just go drag and drop on this, and it's there. Obviously this layer won't be filled. It will be, I mean, it might be filled or overshooting or whatever it is. It will always be in respect to what the original photo was, and I can tell you that their sizes are not equal, which you can see here. It's 1920 by 1080, and this is 4K. It's 3840 and 2160. So that's why it's quarter of the image, which I can tell you by going here. And you know, see, it's quarter exactly. Anyway, we are now moving off topic. So another way to open it is going to open, and your browser window's open like this, and you can open it. And another way to open it is going to browse in Bridge. Now Bridge is what File Explorer is for Windows. Bridge is for Adobe Shoot. So, you know, it's the same thing. You can just double click it and it will open. And yeah, I made that while I was teaching color correction in Photoshop. Anyway, so this is how you can open. You can also open as, which will, you know, it's the same thing, but now you can open it as different objects here. So if you want to open something as audio files, you can't, because, you know, will it work? I don't think so. Yes, it won't work because, you know, it's not an audio file. So, I mean, I don't know why anyone would use open as. I guess if a file acts as a container for 2 or 3 types of media, then they can open it as open as. Anyway, and then we can go to open as smart object, which is a bit different in such a way that it will create the first layer as a smart object and not lock it as a background. But you can obviously make it by just dragging and dropping like this, and just double clicking it, going to OK, and then right clicking it and convert to smart object. I mean, this is a few extra steps, but you can do it this way as well. So there you have it. Goodbye, and hope you enjoy my other videos as well. And I'll keep showing more tutorials if you want.